This is the Ford Bronco. It is bold, it's powerful, and it rides like you're sitting in a paint shaker. But before you judge it too harshly, let's take a look at its competitors. Because let's be honest, you're not here for perfection. You're here for damage control. First up, the Jeep Wrangler. The SUV that says, I love adventure, but also I love going to the shop every 6 months. It's the Wrangler way, off-road legend, on-road rolling repair bill. Sure, you get a solid front axle for rugged trails, but that also means every bump turns your steering wheel into an unhinged carnival ride. You think the Bronco is bad on pavement? This thing is an interpretive dance performance at 60 miles per hour. Now, maybe you're thinking, I want something reliable. Well, enter the Toyota 4Runner. Let's face it, this is an SUV that will outlive you. Then there's the Land Rover Defender, the SUV for people who love off-roading, as long as there's valet parking at the end of the trail. Sure, it's capable. But do you really want to take a $90,000 vehicle through the mud? That's like bringing a Gucci bag to a demolition derby. So yeah, the Bronco has flaws. It's stiff. It guzzles gas like a Las Vegas buffet patron. But here's the thing. It's honest. It doesn't pretend to be luxurious. It doesn't pretend to be gentle on pavement. It's here to climb rocks, kick up dirt, and look cool doing it. You could buy one of these, but do you really want to? It's not perfect, but neither is anything else.